Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the LWS English Podcast. I am your host, and I am so excited to be with you today. Before we dive into our amazing topic, I have two very important requests. First, if you are serious about learning English and want to receive new lessons every week, please take a moment right now to subscribe to our channel. Click that button and become part of our growing LWS family. Second, I love to know who is listening, so please leave a comment below with your name and the city or country you are listening from. It makes me so happy to see our community from all over the world. Thank you for being here. Part 1. The big question. 6 months. Today we are talking about a very big idea. How to learn any language in 6 months. 6 months? Is that even possible? Many people think, oh, that's too fast. Learning a language takes years and years. But I am here to tell you, yes, it is possible to make amazing progress in 6 months. You can become a basic speaker. You can understand a lot. It will not make you perfect, but you will be able to use the language for real life. And for beginner English learners, this is very exciting news. This is not a magic trick. It is a smart way to learn. It means focusing on the right things and changing how you think about learning. Forget the boring old school books for a moment. Let's think differently. Part 2. Rule number 1. Connect to your life. The first and most important rule is to connect the new language to your life. If English is not part of your daily life, it will be very difficult to learn. Think about your hobbies. What do you love to do? Do you love cooking? Find simple English recipes. Do you love music? Listen to English songs and try to understand the main idea. Do you love sports? Watch short sports news in English. Every day, find small ways to bring English into your world. For example, change the language on your phone to English. It might feel strange at first, but you will quickly learn words like settings, messages, and call. This is practical English, English for your real life. Is this idea new for you? Do you feel inspired? If you are learning something new and enjoying this episode, please give this video a big thumbs up, a like. Your likes help the LWS English Podcast reach more students just like you. And remember to share your name and city in the comments. I love reading them. Let's continue with our journey. Part 3. Focus on understanding, not perfection. In the first few months, your main goal is to understand and be understood. Do not try to be perfect. Do not worry about every single grammar rule. This is a common mistake for beginners. They worry too much about grammar and do not speak. Imagine a baby. A baby learns to speak by listening and trying. They make many mistakes, but their parents understand. You are like a language baby. Listen a lot. Listen to easy English podcasts like this one, easy videos, and simple conversations. Don't stop to translate every word. Try to get the main idea. Speak a little. Use the words you know. Make simple sentences. I like coffee. This is my house. I am happy. People will understand you. If you make a mistake, it's okay. We learn from mistakes. The key is to communicate. Even simple communication is a huge victory. Part 4. The power of vocabulary. Your best friends. You need words. But how do you learn many words quickly? Learn the most common words first. Focus on the 1,000 or 2,000 most frequent words in English. These words appear everywhere. There are many lists online. Use flashcards. Write the English word on one side and your native language on the other. Review them every day for 5 to 10 minutes. This is very powerful. Learn words in context. Don't just learn a word, learn a phrase. For example, don't just learn walk, learn I walk to the park. This helps you use the word correctly. Remember the 3 words a day rule from our last podcast? If you learn just 3 new words every day for 6 months, you will know more than 540 new words. That is a lot of new vocabulary in just 180 days. Part 5. Your language parents. Children learn from their language parents. Who are your language parents for English? They can be podcasts and YouTube channels. Find people who speak clearly and slowly, like here on LWS English Podcast. Listen to them every day. Movies and TV shows with subtitles. Start with English audio and English subtitles. Watch cartoons or shows you already know in your native language. Language exchange partners. Find people who speak English and want to learn your language. You can help each other. The goal is to get a lot of input. Your brain needs to hear and see English every single day for many hours over 6 months. Part 6. Be patient and celebrate small victories. Learning a language in 6 months is a challenge, but it is also a fantastic adventure. There will be good days and bad days. On good days, you will feel amazing. You will understand a new sentence or you will speak a new phrase correctly. Celebrate these moments. On bad days, you might feel tired or frustrated. You might think, I am not learning. This is normal. Take a break. Listen to some music. Don't give up. Every day you try, you are making progress. You are moving forward. Remember the words listen, write, speak. This is the LWS way. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of language learning. Learning any language in 6 months is about consistency, connection to your life, and courage to make mistakes. You can do this. Before you leave today, if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the LWS English Podcast right now. Don't miss any future lessons. Please give this video a big like to support our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment with your name and where you are listening from. I am excited to connect with each one of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you next time here at the LWS English Podcast. Bye-bye for now.